I'm here with Gabor Harsanyi, and we received quite a few questions on his blog, and today we're going to attempt to answer one of them. And this is a question from Matthew from North Carolina. I've been into law of attraction for a few years with little to no success. I watched The Secret several times and have followed the practices they recommend, like defining my goals, making a list of what I want to manifest, making a vision board, etc. I also attended many law of attraction seminars. I really want to manifest a new job with higher pay, but all my efforts seem to go nowhere. I have met a lot of people who are in the same boat. I am beginning to think that this works only for a select few. What am I doing wrong? How would you recommend that I go about manifesting my dreams?
So Matthew from North Carolina, this is a wonderful question that people ask quite frequently, and we of course consistently want to make our life better, and rightfully so. So it involves our manifestation process, which has a component which you do with your mind, and have another component that you do with your being, not with your mind. The one with the mind is reasonably popular. You may have heard of defining and redefining your goals. Hear it, feel it, touch it, as if you were already had what you wanted to manifest. So if you wanted to manifest a new car, you feel the way you would drive it, you smell the leather, you feel the speed. And of course you hear the sirens coming behind you for a speeding ticket. That's just beside the point. If you wanted a partner, you define the looks, the smell, the touch of the partner. You feel like you're holding hands, walking on the beach. So those are the popular things as to how to define, how to work with your mind to reach your goals, or to how to manifest things. It's an extremely important part. Because you do it with your mind, the mind is like a mother who doesn't want to let go of the child that it gave birth to. Which brings us to an equally important point in the process. The second part is to let go. You define something and then you let it go. That most people don't have success with. That seems to be so hard. Again, because a mother who gave birth to a child, the mind that gave birth to a goal, a target, does not want to let go. At the best, the mind will tell you, okay, speak in present tense. Don't speak in future tense. That's not good enough. Or the mind will say, okay, I let go. I just let go. But there's a huge difference between the thought of letting go versus actually letting go. Most likely, we haven't had a conversation, but most likely the problem why you're not getting your manifestations is the second half of the process, of the letting go process. How might you do that? You let something go when you feel it in your body. I'm trying to give you a very short course in a in a much longer process. Since the mind works with your senses, your hearing, your eyesight, the touch, etc., those are limited senses. The let go process involves a much bigger sense, a non-limited organ sense that you have. That's your own body. This has totally been neglected and not talked about or not researched, nothing. You let go by using this biggest sensory organ, and you learn how to pay attention to the inside of your body. You do it with the body. By doing this, the mind, that very well defined, the mind goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The mind that so successfully defined your target now will stop or slow down. So you have to learn how to pay attention inside the body. The result of that is that the mind will stop. It will let go of its child that is created. And the moment the mind stops, you actually let go. And that would complete the second part of the manifestation process, which I suspect, Matthew, that you're probably missing. On this tape, we don't want to spend too much time in talking about how to do that, because it's a longer seminar. But if you can just look at me, you have a sense that I let go. I actually let go for you. So go ahead, define your target. If you have trouble letting go, just turn this tape on and I help you to let go. This is like letting go by proxy. I wish you well and wish you a lot of success with your manifestation. God bless you.
Thank you, Gabor. I'll watch out for that siren.
Okay.